This video is going to talk about using our Destiny program so that we can search for materials here in our library and throughout the district. First of all, you could start by going to one of our PAC stations. We have the 3 Macintosh computers that all they do is search Destiny. But if you're at a Chromebook or if you're at a computer, you want to bring up the Cromery Middle School LibGuide page. And the first thing you see on the home page, right in the center there, is a Destiny search box. I'm going to click on Advanced Search because that way I can have a search that looks exactly like the PAC station. I'm going to just make it bigger so we can see it a little bit better. I like to log in first of all. That way if there's something I need to place a hold on, I'm all ready to go. So I'm going to click up here in the right hand corner and type in my KMS student. You'd put in your regular login information. And you'll notice once you do that, that your name is going to show up in this corner. This student's name is Student KMS. When you do that, when you're logged in, you'll get this My Info tab. If you click on that, you can see what it is you have checked out, when it's due, the date that you checked it out. If you had any holds, they would show up under the holds. These items that are checked out, if the due date was in red, that would show you that those are overdue. But now I'm just going to go back to the catalog to do some searching. I like to start by searching at Cromery, stay at our location, so if there is a book that I want and it's on the shelf, I can just go get it rather than having to place a hold on it. If my topic were dogs, I would type in what I'm looking for. Because this is a subject that I'm looking for, maybe my topic is that I want to learn about training dogs. So I put my dogs in, and then I could click on keyword, but keyword's going to give me a really big result list. It's going to give me books that have a title of dogs. It's going to give me an author's name whose dog is. It's going to give me subjects of dogs. And really all I want for this topic, what I'm looking for right now, is I want to find books about training dogs. So I'm going to go to the subject because that's what my subject is. And here I can see that I have a result list of 264 titles. You can sort this. You can change this around a little bit if you want it to sort by alphabetical by title or by author, or maybe you want more current information. You could search by date. I'm going to search by call number because that puts it in order, and I have to click on Go. That puts it in order according to the call number. And it'll start with nonfiction and go from there. So you can see that the call number here is 359.9. I'm going to kind of look through these and figure out, are these going to be about training dogs or not? First of all, the title says Navy SEALs. My tale of training canines for combat. Well, that's not really what I'm looking for. I'm looking for training dogs, but not for combat. I go a little bit further, and it looks like they're talking about dogs and man and racing. If I want more information, I can go into the details and I can read what it's talking about here. Oh, that's not the kind of training I'm talking about. So I want to go back up to my search results and go a little bit further. Everything I want to know about dog. Oh, here, look at this one. Dog training, right there in the title. Again, I can go into the details, read a little bit about it, see if that's the type of book that I'm looking for. I also can look and see if there are copies available. We are the local copies. It says 1 of 1 available, so I don't even need to hold it. I can write down that call number, 636.7 BAR, and go to the shelf and look for the book. If that's not something I'm looking for, if I want more information, I can always go back to the search results and see what else is there. Now, if I'm not coming across anything here at Cromery, I can go back and I can refine my search, make this all the schools in the district, do another subject search. I could even, instead of just saying dogs, I could say dog training and see if that gets more of what I'm looking for. as a subject. Again, I have it in call number order, and I'm kind of looking down here. Now, I also want to look on the side over here. This is telling me if it's saying that it's local, it belongs to Cromery, and I can go to the shelf. If, for instance, this one on Rosie, a visiting dog story, you can see that we don't have any local copies. They're available off-site. If that was the type of thing I wanted, I could go into the details, and because I'm logged in, because my name's showing up here, I get the hold it button. And I can click on that, and it'll place a hold for me. And I can see that hold if I go into my information. There it is right there.